Hello, I'm Simon. I'm your tech guy. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the stator on your LG washer. If you are experiencing issues such as your washer not spinning, making unusual noises, or not agitating at all, it might be time to check or replace this part. Before we get started, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more handy DIY appliance repair guides. Let's tackle this together. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by gathering everything we need for today's repair job. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of adjustable pliers, a flat blade screwdriver, a pair of side cutters, a zip tie, a multimeter, a towel, and a socket wrench with an extension and 17mm head, and a mallet. The stator is a part of the electromagnetic direct drive motor. It's mounted at the back of the outer basket and has 36 poles bound in 3 windings. We need to get behind the washer and remove the rear access panel. But first, unplug the washer, turn the water off, place a towel under the water inlet hoses, and using pliers, loosen up and then remove them, one at a time. Remove 4 Phillips screws, slide the panel up and out. Using the 17mm socket wrench and a mallet, loosen up and remove the bolt in the center of the rotor. Shaking the rotor side to side, pull it off. Be careful not to pinch your skin, best if you wear gloves. The motor harness is attached to the stator with a 3-wire plug and to the RPS with a 4-wire plug, and has 2 connectors inside the cabinet at the bottom left. They are inside the plastic bag. Undo the wire tie, push the bag up, and disconnect the 3 wire plugs using the flat blade screwdriver. Set your multimeter to resistance, horseshoe-like sign. Get the 3-wire plug. Insert the meter probe in the blue wire plug connector and the other one into the next slot, red, at the same plug. If you are getting between 5 and 15 ohms, this winding is good. Keep the blue probe in place and put the second into the yellow slot. Should be getting the same reading of 5 to 15 ohms. If not, replace the stator. Check the third winding the same way. Move the probe from the blue wire to the red wire slot and check for 5 to 15 ohms. If any of the windings open, replace the stator. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take out 5 screws, including one at the top with the metal bracket. With the 10mm socket wrench, take out the bolts that hold the stator and slowly put it down. Disconnect the plugs. This is the old stator next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Connect the new stator to the harness plugs. Lift it up, place it on, align the holes, and install the mounting bolts. Tighten them manually and then finish up using the 10mm socket wrench. Secure the motor harness to the outer top with 5 Phillips screws. Don't forget to place the bracket at the top. Install the rotor. Be careful not to pinch your fingers. Slide the rotor onto the shaft, tighten the 17mm bolt manually, and then use the socket wrench and the mallet to tighten it. Connect both plugs, slide the plastic bag over, and tie the wire tie. Secure the harness with a plastic tie and cut extras with the side cutters. Place the rear access panel top first, slide it down, and secure with the 4 Phillips screws. Install both inlet hoses. Tighten the first few threads manually and then use pliers to finish. Plug in the washer and turn the water on. Great job on replacing the stator in your LG washer. We hope everything went smoothly and that your appliance is up and running perfectly. We would love to hear how your repair went, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you need any replacement parts, remember, you can easily find them by looking up your model number at AppliancePartsPros.com, and most orders arrive within a couple of days. Thanks for trusting us with your repair needs, and we look forward to being part of your next home project.